Welcome to Educative Curve. This is Shamrita Dash and today we will learn about should and ought to. So, should and ought to. Now, why did I choose to teach you two things together in this video? I have been teaching you about one form of verb in each video, right? Modal verbs. Well, today I have decided to teach you should and ought to together. Why? Because they both mean almost the same. Okay? See, in should we use duty and obligation. Okay? Promises should be kept. That means one should keep their promise. And in ought to, there is also duty and obligation. See, you ought to serve your country. We could have also written in this way, promises ought to be kept. Right? And here we could have written, you should serve your country. It wouldn't have mattered because these two mean the same. Okay? Future in the past. I told him that I should go there. Okay? So, I have told someone that I'll go there myself. Okay? So, I can write writing over here. I told him that I should go there. That means I have not gone there yet. But I am going to go there. But I told that person that I should go there. That means I must go there. Okay. Now, purpose. Walk carefully lest you should fall. That means if we don't walk carefully, we might fall down and hurt ourselves, right? So, our purpose to walk carefully is to prevent us from falling down. Okay? Now, how to use should plus have. Should and have is used in case of those actions that have not been performed. Okay? But should have been performed. Like, see, you should have left a message, right? So, if we go out without telling anyone, and suppose our parents are searching for us and they are worried about us obviously, and we come back very late. So, they can tell us, you should have left a message, right? So, these are the uses of should. Now, I have already told you one use of ought to, that is duty or moral obligation, right? Another example of this can be, he ought to listen to his parents and teachers. We can also write, he should listen to his parents and teachers. Okay? It means the same. Now see, ought to plus have. Okay? You ought to have served your parents. That means you ought to have provided help to your parents. After all, they are parents. We should always take care of our parents, right? So, this is used in those past actions that has been neglected and it has not been done. They should have been done, but they have not been done. So we write, you ought to have done something. You ought to have helped him. You ought to have studied hard. Okay? So this is today about should and ought to. In the next video, we'll learn more about modal verbs, about more the small forms of the modal verbs. Please like, share, comment and click the bell option for notification. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on this logo and see there is an exercise in the description box for you to practice. Thank you.